obviously. Just check it here. So I could be close, I'm not sure I'm not sure what he's doing, but that's kind of what we were doing earlier. So I'll back away now, they kind of seem mad. Not sure what they're doing right now, but I think I'll back away. Don't want to get attacked like those people on finish on video. Don't want to be one of those people.
Oh, humans trying to do things to see. You get me scared.
So yeah, don't go no distance. I'll just videotape them from afar. Okay, evil little dude right here walking across. He looks like an officer. Kind of the way he is. The bird looks very weird. And if he attacks, have fun attacking that because he's just not attacking me. Dude. Well then, I guess he likes ground and water. Just keep looking at it. Maybe. Maybe not. Just stay here and watch the poor little thing. Just don't make eye contact with the thing. Just moving on. Moving on. He's looking at me. Buddy. So, yeah. That right there is dirt, not crap. So, just an FYI there. Maybe people who are about to get grassed out. Not sure what all you can see. Can't see the screen that well, so. There's like clay and stuff right here. Yes, Oklahoma is famous for its clay. At least to me it is. There's freaking clay around here. It's on the ground. Don't really.
There's a lot of snow on the ground. You kind of wish for a day like this.
Yeah, it's been going back from like really warm to really cold. Kind of in the middle.
Oh, snowy, yeah.
Okay, there's like this
really. Everybody was there. They was going out shopping. I doubt many people are going to watch this, but it's pretty cool. Yes, crazy person with crazy hair. Do you want to go across the little bridge thingy? Cool. Going across the little bridge thingy. And all the people are like, what the crap is wrong with the girl with the crazy hair? What's wrong with the camera? Talking to the camera. Yeah, whatever. Still, you see someone going around like talking and stuff. I'm not alone, so it's not as weird, but don't want to like film people who don't want to be filmed. So just look at the greenery. No, this is cool. Whatever that was. This is cool. This is a little bridge we're going on. It's a cute. And there's a rock there. This is cool, guys. Can you see that? I don't want to see everything that's in there, but it's pretty freaking awesome. And that right there is not a duck. Just an FYI. I just felt that for a second, so. Yeah, the water's pretty shallow. Goes up in a creek right there. Muddy. Mud stream. And Dad jumped over it, whether or not I caught that. Stephanie doesn't feel like jumping over it. Stephanie's going to do that. And then film some more. But you could probably make a path with some purple on that tree right there. Yeah, everything kind of dead right now because it's spring. Overhanging single blob. Going to attack him. Some more stuff. That's not man-made. That's made by nature right there. Some water still down there. There's some geese that keep on coming around. Some homes and stuff. Pretty tree right there. You can see that.
And here comes the wasp, which I cannot stand. Keep looking. Keep looking. Dude! Yes, we're on Turbo Patrol today. More crap. More crap. More crap. White spot. That could be crap. Dirt. Oh, looky there. Dog crap. I think.
Still, the ducks might be gone.
Little,
They're
really
rough,
little.
ugly looking things, especially in the faces. Oh, they were mean too.
All you animal lovers can just see that dog crap. I agree. Anyway.
The last time I searched 2006.
All you people who actually care about
Exactly what Stark Smart was reaching.
So pretty much you're getting a panoramic view. Whole entire view. I could take a picture, it'd be a lot easier because I can zoom in. So you know what, I'll probably post a slideshow of pictures in a minute. So, Johnny.